Current time is 6:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Focus.
Here are the 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time weather conditions. At South Bend, skies were cloudy. The temperature was 46 degrees, the dew point 12, and the relative humidity 25%. The wind was east at 7 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.17 inches and falling. Around the region, it was cloudy. It was 45 at Goshen, 45 at Logansport, 45 at Warsaw, 43 at Benton Harbor, and 43 at Sturgis. Grand Rapids reported 40. Lafayette reported 47.
TV right here.
Wayne reported
And
45.
take all
Indianapolis
three
reported
and
49. And
hopefully
Chicago reported 44.
so yeah. Here we go.
We need to have a line item forecasting and another
This message is for test purposes only. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a test message. This is a test tornado warning for all counties in northern Indiana until 7:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 6:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This is a test message. This is a test message in support of Indiana's severe weather preparedness week. There is no tornado or severe weather at this time. This is only a test. Hazard. This is a test. Hazard details would be provided here. Source. This is a test. The source of the tornado report would be provided here. Impact. This is a test. Expected impacts would follow. This is a test message. Locations impacted include all of northern Indiana. This is a test message. There is no threat of severe weather at this time. Use this opportunity to test your office, home, or school tornado plans. This is a test message. Do not take action based on this message. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 6:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Adams, Allen, Blackford, DeKalb, Elkhart, Fulton, Grant, Huntington, Jay, Kosciuszko, LaPorte, LaGrange, Marshall, Noble, Pulaski, St. Joseph, Stark, Steuben, Wabash, Wells, and Whitley.
This is no weather.
to really
This message is for test purposes only. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a test message. This is a test tornado warning for all counties in northern Indiana until 7:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 6:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This is a test message. This is a test message in support of Indiana's severe weather preparedness week. There is no tornado or severe weather at this time. This is only a test. Hazard. This is a test. Hazard details would be provided here. Source. This is a test. The source of the tornado report would be provided here. Impact. This is a test. Expected impacts would follow. This is a test message. Locations impacted include all of northern Indiana. This is a test message. There is no threat of severe weather at this time. Use this opportunity to test your office, home, or school tornado plans. This is a test message. Do not take action based on this message. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 6:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Adams, Allen, Blackford, DeKalb, Elkhart, Fulton, Grant, Huntington, Jay, Kosciuszko, LaPorte, LaGrange, Marshall, Noble, Pulaski, St. Joseph, Stark, Steuben, Wabash, Wells, and Whitley.
I have your call.
All right, Elizabeth, it's Phil D'Amico. How are you?